Hi everybody, Paul here. This is the Glock 19 Generation 5 MOS. It's a very nice gun. And as you can see, it's unloaded. So before this was purchased, I was trying to find information online as to how much trigger travel this specific gun had, but I couldn't find anything. So this is why I'm doing this video. So you have here the full length of the trigger, and at the middle of the trigger, which is approximately where the safety pivots, is where I wanted to know how much trigger travel there was, or how much my finger would have to move until the gun fired. So I took my own measurements and checked this a number of different times, and this is what I found. Once you disengage the safety with your finger and slowly squeeze the trigger, you will have approximately 1/8 of an inch of trigger travel until you feel the trigger hit a wall. Within that entire 1/8 of an inch of trigger travel, your finger will feel trigger resistance. The next thing that will happen is as you continue to squeeze the trigger, it will then travel approximately 1/16 of an inch more until it makes a clean break and fires. So from the very first shot to the last shot, this gun will fire each time the trigger is squeezed approximately 3/16 of an inch. Some people will think it's too much, while other people will think it's not enough. Only you can be the judge of that, as it's a personal decision. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.